Hello everyone, welcome back to another video about easy and free ways to make money online. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make $50 every minute on completely autopilot just by designing on stuff. With this free tool with less than 1 hour of work, and don't worry, you don't need to be a professional in designing, and you can do this again and again anywhere in the world. Make sure to watch every step in this video and I will show you step by step on how to do this. This video is divided into 3 steps. The first website I'm going to show you is not the main website to earn high. So if you watch to the end, the last website I will be showing you is the main website that will help you to boost your income. What I'm going to show you in this video is not about affiliate marketing, it's not about social media click exchange, and it's a new website. This is MONEYDOOR YouTube channel where I teach you easy and free ways to make money online. If you love my videos, please click the red subscriber button and like my videos. Turn on the notification, and if you have any questions and suggestions, please leave a comment below. Now let's begin. Make sure to watch until the end and try not to skip any part of the video. If you stay tuned until the end, I will give you the best website to use together with this website to make more money. The first website we are going to talk about is called zazzle.com. This website is a print-on-demand website. On this website, many people come and buy different products that have been designed by people. Lots of people come to this website to upload their products. Don't worry, we are not here to buy anything. You are not going to spend any money on this website. What we are going to be doing is to design our own products. Don't worry, you don't need any designing skills at all, because I will be showing you how you can get a free design you can just use without using any software. You can do all the design in less than 10 minutes, but it depends on how well you want your design to look. The best thing about this website is you can actually just create your design and they will paste it on any product you want it to be on, such as phone case, mugs, t-shirts, face masks, and all. You won't need to do the printing, they will do it for you. The best of it is that everything is completely free. You don't need to pay for anything. It's all free. You don't need to have the products at hand, and you don't need a website or social media account to do this. And they will do all the shipping to the customer for you. Your work is to just create your design, and you can share your product link to external websites and drive traffic to your product. Don't worry, I will show you the best website to use for external traffic, and it's free. The best thing about Zazzle is that they will also do the promotion for your product, so you might not even need external websites. Let's check the amount of users on Zazzle. As you can see, over 16 million people visit Zazzle on a monthly basis, so imagine how well your product will be promoted. But the more and beautiful your design is, and the more you upload, that will determine the more money you will make. There are a lot of people who will be uploading and designing every day, so I will say you should make at least 4 designs a day. Don't worry, it will take less than 3 minutes to design. Just check out the website and explore more about it, and check out all the products to see what your design should be. For the second step, scroll to the top and click on create. It will take you to the next page looking like this, and you can just read more about the website and the designing work. This website will give you all the templates you need for your design. Just visit the website and explore it and read more about how it works. Just click on the start creating right here. Then it will take you to the page where you can start creating and designing your product over here. You can select any product you wish to design on. There are a lot of products you can design on, from clothing and shoes to home accessories to invitations, and there are even toys and much more. For the sake of this tutorial, I will choose a plain white t-shirt. Just click and select the product, and down here is where you will see the preview. You can even change the color and the size and all. Start creating over here. You can see where you can choose either icons or elements and text just to put on your product. Let's just design something about animals. If you click it, you can see a lot of different icons of animals. You can use And let's say you want to sell for cat lovers, you will just search for cats and it will filter out different cat icons. Let's choose this one and click on it. It will be showing on your design immediately, and if you check the preview down here, this is how it will look. Just need to create your design about whatever you want to sell. Let's just add some more editing to make it to look more good. We can just make it a little smaller, and we can add any text. You can also add any text you want to, and you can see there are a lot of different text to add. Let's just use this one, and you can just look for some copyright free codes to use, and even some copyright free images. Let's just edit this text to cat lovers, and this is how it will look. Just put in your time. Once you are done with your design, just click on the share button and you will be given a direct link to your product. But don't worry, Zazzle will also promote your products for you for free. But if you want to even earn more money, I will be showing you a better place to get a reliable traffic source. Just make sure to create something high catching. You can even upload your own file. Just make sure it's copyright free, like I said earlier. If you just choose icon, text and elements, you will have no problem. You can also change your icon's color, font size and more. It's super easy and it's free to use. I will show you how you can make even more money by promoting your results yourself to an external website. You will just click on the share button right here, and you can just copy your product link. And if you have a website, you can just use all these codes, and this link, it will lead directly to your product. When someone clicks it, the next thing you will do is to go to YouTube. Don't worry, you don't need to have a channel creating videos. Just go over to the search bar and search for a video based on the category of your product. In our previous design, it is based on cat lovers, so we are going to search for cat related videos. And once the video are out, just click on filter and click Creative Commons. It will show videos that you can reuse in case you have a channel. You can just download this video with a free external website. Don't worry, if you don't have a channel, I will show you how you can also do yours once you download the video. You can just re-upload it and put a link in the description to your Zazzle product, and that way you will drive more traffic to your product and you will get more sales only if you don't have a channel. You can just go to a channel that is uploading videos about the product you design. Subscribe to the channel and always be the first to comment. Remember, don't just put the link about your product alone. Also, say good things about the video so the admin will not remove your comments. And this is it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and always turn the notification on. And I will see you in my next